Can an employer deny reasonable accommodation requests? Breaking news in the world of labor and employment law. A question that is trending right now is, can an employer deny reasonable accommodation requests? If you are an employee with a disability or know someone who is, this information is crucial. Recent discussions have highlighted the importance of understanding your rights under the Americans with Disabilities Act. Under this law, employers are generally required to provide reasonable accommodations to help employees with disabilities perform their job duties. However, there are circumstances where an employer can deny such requests. The key factor here is whether fulfilling the request would create an undue hardship for the business. Reasonable accommodations can take many forms. They may include modifying job duties, providing assistive technology, or adjusting work schedules. Each situation is unique, and the determination of what is reasonable depends on various factors. Employers must consider the nature and cost of the accommodation, their financial resources, and how it would impact their operations. An accommodation is deemed an undue hardship if it is excessively costly or disruptive. If fulfilling the request would fundamentally change how the business operates, the employer is not legally required to comply. This means that while the law supports employees, it also considers the viability of the business. Employers must also keep disability-related information confidential. They cannot require employees to disclose their disability unless it directly relates to the accommodation request. Additionally, it is illegal for employers to retaliate against employees who ask for accommodations or report disability discrimination. In the past week, there have been several cases highlighting these issues in the news. Employees are encouraged to know their rights and understand that while accommodations are often necessary, there are valid reasons an employer might deny a request. Understanding the balance between employee rights and business needs is essential. If you or someone you know is navigating this complex situation, it is important to seek guidance and know your options. Stay informed and empowered as you address these critical workplace issues.